hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see it.
Every year at Christmas time, I hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy.
Hey y'all, what's going on? It is currently like 3 o'clock. I just got off from work. We are having a snowstorm, or it's a snowstorm, something like that. Yeah, I'm trying to go run to the grocery store because I don't know how bad it's going to get. And if I can't get out of my house tomorrow, then I'm gonna need some food to eat. So I'm gonna go run to the grocery store real quick, and I'm probably gonna go take an Uber home because there's no way I'm taking the bus home in this slop. Cause I'm having a hard time walking right here, right now, trying to get to the grocery store. But y'all, like, look at outside. The weather is ugly. Oh my gosh, like hooligan season. It's hooligan season, okay? But yeah, I'm here to open up today's vlog. And before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Text a friend, call a friend, tell them to tune in. And I will see y'all when I get to the grocery store. Okay, my hand's cold, so I'm put this phone up. See y'all later. Hey y'all, so I am done getting my groceries. Cause baby, who going to work tomorrow? Who going to work? It ain't gonna be me. But yeah, I'm just waiting on my lift to come and pick me up because there's no way I'm taking the bus home in this rain. Like, no, I'm not a fool. So yeah, I don't know. Like, I'm gonna be inside for the rest of the weekend, guys, if this weather keeps up. I thought I was ready to be outside, but low-key, I don't like this weather. I don't like it at all. Hey y'all, what's going on? Y'all, when I tell y'all I don't like this cool weather, but Ethan and I what you say? Have just left the house. Hold up, wait a minute. This man was trying to go wash the car in all this snow for the car to be dirty right back again. I mean, obviously that's he and everybody else's mindset, because look at the car wash line. Like, that's wrap around. But we're at the gas station now. He just decided to wipe down the car with the gas station supplies. So that's him out there doing his thing. But yeah, guys, Ethan and I just left home. It just started to snow again. We're just coming over a snowstorm, but obviously, still in the forecast. And we don't really have anything planned today, but we're just going to see if there are any activities open or any place open outside for us to go and enjoy the weather a little bit. Okay, so y'all already know I'm gonna take y'all wherever we go. Okay, so before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Text a friend, call a friend, tell them to tune in. And I will see you guys in 2 seconds. Wherever we end up, you're coming with us. Bye. Love you. Well, we just found one hill. We're gonna see this sleddable. What you doing? Why? No, what? Where the hell is?
Walk down, you see it?
Down there.
Just don't step right there.
Oh, again? Yeah, that's little. This hill ain't sleddable, guys. But let me come back because Ethan already been sliding with skates or board. I mean, I'm trying to follow behind him. Ethan and I hang us one. sledding place and a bunch of children here, but we see some adults and they look like they're scared to go. So
Bunch of adults here, you don't have a bunch of children.
a bunch of adults and a bunch of children, but only children doing sledding. So adults going sledding on this little hill right now. Y'all watch and see. Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Idiot. Look here, look here. Road time. Don't push me now. That was fun. Woo. 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 Back to go. Y'all, huh? We outside. Woo. Check us out. Oh. Yeah, that was fun. I think we need to go together on this. I know this thing. We gotta make our way down though. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, help me, boy. I'm trying to.
This thing like I get in love with this tree.
But that was fun. How was it? Huh?
When I put on the brakes, you won't even drive.
Shoot.
You got on like you won't see the tree. You ready?
What I can tell y'all is you're not going to walk back up this hill. I might as well just tell you about it. But we outside, hacking the food. We out in these Toronto streets hacking the food. Oh, let me pay attention because I'm going to go rolling right down this hill without no sled on me. I slip on some ice. Woo. Oh, I messed up my good wig.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Let me go on the front or on the back? You could go back? On me? Come on, Dad. You hold me, come here, I got it. I got it. You hold us, you watch us because I can't see nothing.
Huh?
You watch us because I can't see nothing.
Hold on. This is how you was in the front, yeah?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's go away.
Sure, we don't go. Yeah, boo.
I can't control it.
What do you mean?
I can't.
Ow, boo. Ooh, my foot. Woo. Guys, we didn't come out here and broke a pasta. We like run straight into the tree. I don't know if we break the tree or the tree break us, but we leaving back up the hill to go home. It's time to go home. Pack it up. Pack it up because we ain't had to carry on like we ain't got no sense. Not at all. Like that. On this people hill. But yeah, guys, so it's fun while it lasted. And we'll try it again tomorrow. Once we're in there, we'll try it again tomorrow. Alright, so deuces. See y'all when I get home. Y'all, me need to run into the tree just now. Nelly can ourselves. Tell me why we look up everybody packing up to leave. Y'all gonna leave us out there and let us die like that? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Not just say. One guy was like, it'll be alright, you know? Not just say. When I tell you the place clear right, oh, she clear out. Y'all ain't up with the angle. I might as well just tell you that. Y'all ain't even check to see if he's alright, you know? Yeah, right though. It's all good. Hey y'all, what's going on? Y'all surprised to see me? Y'all miss me? Y'all already know why I'm here. I am just here simply hopping on to close out today's video. Okay. Ethan and I are not okay. Both of our legs are swell up. But we're gonna be okay. We're in a little bit of pain, but overall we're gonna be okay. I think we're gonna have to cancel our activity for tomorrow. It's a bummer, but we're trying to ice our leg now, and hopefully the swelling and the pain can go away. If not, we're probably gonna have to go to the hospital see what's wrong with it. Hopefully there's no bone or no ligament broken or torn. But I told y'all we was about to be rolling out somebody's hill this year, and baby, we did just that, okay? Yes. We ain't had no business on the people hill today. We ain't had no business on the people hill. But nonetheless, we had an amazing time. It was great. It was a great experience. But if you've made it this far in today's video, thank you so much for watching. Before we leave this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Text a friend, call a friend, tell them to tune in. And I will see you guys on tomorrow in the next video. Bye. Love you.